All right, hi fourth graders, and welcome to multiplicative comparison statements as part of our Wednesday review. Let's get started. So for our warm-up today, I want you to write the following statements as equations. 56 is 7 times as many as 8. How would that look as an equation? 18 is 6 times as many as 3, and 63 is 9 times as many as 7. Pause the video, and when you're ready, press play. All right, welcome back. So 56 is 7 times as many as 8. That's making me think that 56 is equal to 7 times 8. I also could have wrote 7 times 8 equals 56. Both are getting me the same answer. Let's look at our next problem. 18 is 6 times as many as 3. I could have written 18 equals 6 times 3, or 6 times 3 equals 18. Our final question, 63 is 9 times as many as 7. I know that 63 equals 9 times 7, or 9 times 7 equals 63. Nice work. So as a reminder, multiplicative comparisons are statements that show how two factors and their product can be read as a comparison. So for example, 32 is 4 times as many as 8. 32 equals 4 times 8. So let's practice solving some problems together. Maria ran 12 miles last week. Phoebe ran 60 miles last week. Write a multiplicative comparison statement to compare Maria's to Phoebe's run. So let's think about what we know here. I know that Maria ran 12 miles. I also know that Phoebe ran 60 miles. And the question's asking me to write a statement that compares these two. So I need to ask myself here, well, 12 times what gets me to 60? I know that 12 times 5 equals 60. So my comparison statement I could make about this problem is that Phoebe ran 5 times as long as Maria. And I know that because 5 times 12 equals 60. I could also have said Maria ran 5 times less as Phoebe, because 5 times 12 would get me 60. Let's try one more on your own. Neve's rope is 2 times as long as Peter's rope. If Peter has 9 feet of rope, how many feet of rope does Neve have? I want to see an equation with an unknown and an answer. When you're ready, press play. All right, so let's take a look. It's saying that Neve's rope is 2 times as long as Peter's. So I know my equation is going to involve 2 times something. It says Peter has 9 feet of rope. So how many does Neve have? If Neve's is 2 times as long, 2 times 9 will equal how much rope he has. That's my equation with my unknown, because remember, an unknown is not a number, it can be a letter. When I do this work though, and I multiply 2 times 9, I know my answer is 18. So Neve's rope is 18 feet long. Today, you're going to be working on solving multiplicative comparison number story statements. They're going to ask you to multiply, so keep that in mind as you're starting your work. All right, let's get started.